Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you some new items that I received from Kokorosa Studio. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos with them, I am on their design team, so they send me items, or they let me pick out items every month, which I'm so honored that they let me do that. But they want me to show you the items, and then I design things with them. And then I have all the links down below in the description, as well as a coupon code for you, so you can go check them out yourself. Everything is reasonably priced. They have lots of different metal dies, and then all kinds of other paper crafting items. So like little paper packs, which I picked up one this time. I actually ordered another one that was a really cute kitten pack, but that was sold out. But they have thousands of items, and they make their dies. They're all custom dies. So I'll just want to show you some items. Usually they have really good deals. If you buy a certain amount, you get a freebie. This was my freebie. I haven't made anything with this, but I did make something with everything else. So let me show you these things, and then I'll show you what I made with them. So I picked up this kind of a vintage camera die. Really awesome. This one is super cute. It is a jar with a cat and a paw. And I'm not really sure the correlation between the jar and the cat, but you'll see what I made, and it looks really cute. So yeah, really cute. It came together, but I pulled apart the paw and the circular part that has the cat in it so that I could just cut out a base of the jar. And you'll see that in a bit. Then I picked up this one. It's kind of like a window with several little openings. And then this one is waves and bubbles. So perfect for making summer or beach kind of cards or whatever. What I did was I made cards with everything. But you could definitely use these to make shakers or tags, pockets for your scrapbook or journaling pages, whatever. And then I picked up this berry paper pad, which I love because if you haven't watched any of my videos, I make a lot of strawberry shortcake journals. So I thought this would be a good set of paper to have to make things for those journals. So that's what the front looks like. And then they're single-sided. Turn that. So there is this. So there's 24 pieces. There's 6 by 6, and there's 12 different designs, and 2 of each of them. So there's that one. Some roses with strawberries. One with kind of a wood background and strawberries and raspberries. This one has a lace pattern with some strawberries and flowers on the edge. A pink background with strawberries and flowers. This one has some writing in the background and then strawberries. They have a very vintage feel to them and very muted background with the brighter red in colors. This one has a bird and butterflies, so that's really pretty. This one is just a wood background. This one has a picture on the side. And then this is a very muted kind of combination of all the different backgrounds into one sheet. This one's really cool with the strawberries and flowers coming down on the wood. And that one is just a lace, pink lace. So those are really pretty. Nice to make cards with, or tags, little mini inserts or whatever. Okay, so let me show you what I made with these. I'll start with the berry. So what I did was I combined this die and used the berry paper along with some scrap like cardstock, some green and red. And then I also had this strawberry die. It's from Kokorosa as well, but this was from an earlier, I think it was from last month, but it looks like that. So I cut the strawberries out, I cut the frame, and then I used the die again to cut from 4 different pieces of the paper, and then just put the little squares in each kind of sporadically throughout the frame. And then I attached that to the green base paper, tied some ribbon. I love this polka dot ribbon. It kind of reminds me of a strawberry. And then I had a stamp that I think it was from Recollections from Michael's that had some strawberries, but it also had So Berry Sweet. So I stamped that, added some rhinestones, added my strawberries on top, and then added rhinestones there. So I just think that turns out really cute. So I'll use this. I'll probably add it into one of my strawberry shortcake books as a little insert. Alright, and then for the cat jar die, this one I think is my absolute favorite. I made this card. I'm going to send this to my daughter because she has a black cat named Onyx. So I made this card. I used a black base. I have the paper from My Mind's Eye called Meow. It's just a little 6x6 paper pad, but it has really cute cat paper. So I used one as the background, and then this pink that says Meow across. I did a little strip behind that, tied some ribbon, and then I took some pink and black cardstock and cut several, well, I cut one pink for the top, and then I cut several of the die. I'm actually going to show you in a different video how I made this card, but I used the dies to cut out several of the jars, enough thickness so I could make a shaker. So that's what I did with that. It's really cute. And then I tied ribbon at the top, put a paw, and then put the cat on the front there. And then on the inside, I just added a little pink cat. And then I'll probably write with a white paint pen in there. So that's what I did with that. And then for the camera die, I made this card, kind of a travel theme. So I had this paper from Recollections, an older hot buy called Ooh La La, and it's a Paris kind of travel theme. I guess you could call it a shabby chic, but I cut out the camera with this little stripy pink pattern that was in here and green cardstock, and then I had some gold paper, but I just kind of layered to make the camera. I cut out some of the flowers from the paper to put it up the top here. I cut the Eiffel Tower, and then this paper back here I kind of did at an angle. I wanted to show the Paris and Ooh La La and the C'est La Vie here. So that's behind there. I mounted the camera onto some green with hearts paper, and then added a strip of gold back behind that and put it on top of the green paper. Added some little sequins there and in the center. So I think that one turned out really cute. So I'll just have this, add this to my card stash, and then if I do some travel themed journals, I can add that in to one of those. Alrighty, and then the last thing, or last card that I made was using the wave die. And so let me pull that over here. This is the paper pad I used. It's called Coastal Cove. I'm not sure what year this was from, but it's a really cute kind of tropical, not tropical, but like sailor beach boat theme. I love the colorways in here. And I'm trying, oh, here's the card I made. I was trying to find it. So this is the card that I made. I think it turned out really cute. I cut out the waves in 3 different colors. So yeah, 3 different colors, a light blue, a darker turquoise, and then the navy blue. And then I cut them apart and just kind of layered them so they look like a bunch of different waves together. The paper pad had this cut apart, so I cut that, mounted it on navy blue, and then mounted it on top of this fish paper, and that all went on top of the base, which is a turquoise. And then I added some little sequins on top of that to add some detail. So I think that turned out really cute. And then I'll show you this acrylic set, stamp set. This was a freebie. If you order a certain amount, they give you freebies. And so I'm not sure if the freebies are like they're discontinued items or they just have a few left and they don't plan on ordering more. But it's kind of an incentive to purchase more items. But this is really cute. I haven't made anything with them yet, but there's like a little girl with a scuba set on, the whales with the unicorn horns on them, another little girl down here. So those are really cute. Anyway, that is what I made and my little haul from Kokorosa. So hopefully you are able to check out their website and be sure to subscribe if you haven't, because I will be doing a tutorial on this card if you want to sit and craft with me. And yeah, I love how these all turned out, and I was just happy to share them with you. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.